To block spam calls on Android, you have three main options. 1. Built-in phone dialer. Open Google Phone, tap the three dots at the top right corner, and tap Settings. In the Assistive section, tap Caller ID and Spam. Toggle on See Caller and Spam ID to identify spam numbers. Optionally, enable Filter Spam Call to block suspected spam callers. Manually block spam numbers by long pressing on a number in the phone app and selecting Block. 2. Google Assistant, US and select regions. In the Google Phone app, go to Settings and access Spam and Call screen. Toggle on options like Automatically Screen. Decline robocalls. 3. Third-party apps e.g., Truecaller, Should I Answer? Download and install a spam call blocking app from the Play Store. Apps like Truecaller offer spam detection and call blocking features. While Truecaller is a popular option, some may have trust issues due to past data breaches. Other alternatives include Should I Answer? Additionally, there are honorable mentions like Hiya, T-Mobile Scam Shield, and Verizon Call Filter for US users. Remember to choose the method that suits your preferences and location.